Hey guys, it's Kerry here again at Byrider Madison. Back at you with another video. This month, what we're going to talk a little bit about is our warranty. So, one thing that really sets us apart, besides the fact that we help folks in bad credit, no credit, damage credit situations, is our warranty. This is a warranty that is included with any vehicle that we sell. And it's a real big selling factor in what we do, and some of the reason why people come back to us as well. So every vehicle that we sell comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Okay, so that's 3 years, 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And it covers things like your engine, your transmission, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, electrical. So specifically those categories and components that are part of that. So some examples that I always use when I'm talking to a customer is things like your head gaskets, timing chains, valve covers, things like that. Those are specifically engine parts, but you get the gist of it. So specifically, those items are covered under our warranty. So that means that if you have issues with those particular parts, the most that you would pay to get it fixed is $50. Now, I don't know if there might be a lot of shade tree mechanics out there, but I can't think of anywhere I can get a valve cover or a head gasket done for $50. So, like I said, this is one of the best warranties in the industry. We hope you never have to use it, but it's there if you need it. Okay, it's like I said, it's included in any vehicle that we sell. So this really shows that we stand behind our vehicles. So we want you to focus on making payments on the vehicle, but we don't want you to have to worry about expensive repair bills. So that's why we have the warranty included in every vehicle that we sell. A part of this, though, with the warranty is ensuring that you're doing your part. So, for example, if you have an issue with an engine component and you're not doing your oil changes, well, that's kind of on you. You'd be responsible for any of those repairs that are done. But again, if it's covered and it's under warranty, $50. So again, it's one of the best in the industry. Hope you never have to use it, but it's there if you need it. And again, shows that we stand behind our vehicles after the sale. So, but yeah, this is Kerry from Byrider Madison. Give us a call, 608-663-1213. Have a great day.